Hello kids, today we are going to learn 1 to 2020 digit. Are you excited kids? Then let's come. Say 1 to 2020 together. Let's start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 0 what? 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3 what? 13. Now 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Are you enjoying this video? Then please like our video. Now 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7. 1, 7 what kid? 17. Yes. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0 what kid? 20. And we'll start again 1 to 20 zeros again. What kid? We'll start 1 to 20 digits again. What kid? We'll start 1 to 20 digit again. Let's come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. You enjoy this video, then please share with your friend. For more video, you can subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Bye bye kids.